My name is Shelby and I'm from Fresno, California. I just wanted to hop on really quick and just provide a quick testimonial of my experience with Proofread Anywhere. Prior to the course, I had just been practicing dental hygiene. So I've been a dental hygienist for about 4.5 years now, and I always felt like there was something maybe that was missing, something that I knew I really wanted, but I couldn't put my finger on it. And my first impression seeing Proofread Anywhere, when I heard Caitlin's first video, I was blown away. I had no idea that proofreading was a career by any means. I was always that friend that would correct my friends' papers and whatever, free of charge, of course. And I had no idea that that was a thing. That's always been something that I've been good at naturally. So the fact that I could proofread as a career on my own time really, really, really hit me. I would say the only thing I was really concerned about in the beginning was just the timing, how much time I would have to commit myself to this. And surprisingly, I didn't in the beginning commit myself, but I went through a whole job change, and through the pandemic, I actually had a job fall through. So this was so exciting for me to have. It was something that I started the course and like I said, didn't have as much time to dedicate to it, but I've been able to fully indulge myself again. And I'm still going through the course now. I see so much support through the Facebook page, which is something I really, really love. One thing I think that has resonated with me from when I started and when I'm doing this again is the support that you have. You have so many people cheering for you through our Facebook group that we have, through Caitlin directly. You can email, you get regular emails almost daily of encouragement, of new skills or new ways that you can tackle things. And that's just been so awesome. I would have to say, for anybody that's even skeptical or maybe considering it, just try it. Listen to the video, do your research about proofreading, because that's exactly what I did. And if you have any hesitation about it, it's been so nice. I think one of my favorite things is the fact that you have complete control over your schedule. You can indulge into the course when you want to. You can start your business when you want to. All of it is work from home, which in the midst of this pandemic, trying to find something that you can do to work from home has been very, very hard for most people. But the fact that you can do this all at home, plus do something you like to do, and it can even be a side hustle, it's just such an awesome thing. You have so much support, so much great information to learn from it. I would recommend it 10 out of 10 times. So just do it.